Hey, this is Matt with Silver Spoon. I fished a few tailwater fisheries across the country and wanted to give Tennessee trout a try. Take a trip with me through Tennessee.
Alright, parked alongside the river here. Already pulled in 3 rainbows. I'm gonna try heading upstream here instead of grab a couple strawberries. We'll head back out. Scuds and midges.
Day 2 consisted of a full day float down the Watauga River. Caught some rainbows and took in the sun and some views.
Well, a boat floated away. Holy shit. Wind gust got it. Come back home. Come back here. I had one come up. Oh, one came up and ate the bobber. Looks like he ran into something there. There goes the fucking fire. End of day 2 to finish it up. I had to then make a 5-mile bike ride back to the dam. What a great workout.
After some bad weather rolled in, day 3 took me to the mountains.
Alright, we made it to the falls.
Day 4, my final day, took me to the South Holston. I found some much larger fish here and enjoyed the solitude of the river.
Not the smallest one so far. Really dogging me. God dang. Really long. Oh, there he goes. Off he goes. Son of a bitch.
Even though I missed that hog, I did get a second chance at a big one on the Soho.
This one hit pretty hard. Staying down. Some fast current out there. South Holston brown trout right there. Some cold water. I don't know how big that thing is, but it's all at least 15, 16.
Thank you for sticking around. If you have any questions about Tennessee trout, feel free to hit us up. We'd love to help you out.
Set my feet for a second. Here we go. Well,